Welcome to the exciting world of next-gen industrial training. Imagine a workforce that's not just learning about their tasks but is fully immersed in them, gaining skills faster, safer, and with greater confidence. Sounds like the future, right? Well, that future is now, thanks to XR. Let's dive into how you can revolutionize your workforce training with the power of XR, a blend of augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and mixed reality, MR. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and ideas you need to enhance your workers' learning experience in ways you've never thought possible. Stay tuned till the end because we'll share some game-changing insights on how XR training is the future of industrial learning. What is XR? Let's break it down. Before we get into the how, let's first understand the what. XR isn't just one technology, it's an umbrella term for AR, VR, and MR, all working together to create immersive, interactive learning experiences. Picture this, your workers learning to operate machinery or respond to emergencies by experiencing realistic, simulated scenarios without the risks. XR allows workers to practice in safe, controlled environments. Whether it's navigating a high-risk factory or responding to a critical healthcare emergency, XR lets them live those moments, so when the real situation comes, they're ready. It's like giving them a superpower, the power to learn from real experiences without the real danger. Step 1. Identify your training needs. First, let's talk strategy. What specific skills are your workers missing? What tasks do they need to learn? Whether it's machinery operation, safety drills, or crisis management, identifying the core training objectives is crucial. XR isn't one-size-fits-all, it's about aligning immersive experiences with your workforce's needs. For example, need your factory workers to operate heavy machinery safely? XR can give them the experience of using complex machinery but without the real-world risks. Need healthcare staff to practice emergency evacuations? XR can simulate that entire process in a virtual world. Step 2. Design engaging, interactive content. This is where the magic happens. With XR, it's no longer about passive learning, watching videos or reading manuals. It's about active learning where workers do the task. They manipulate machines, solve problems, and make real-time decisions. Imagine a factory worker learning to repair a machine. XR would allow them to disassemble, inspect, and fix it in a virtual environment. It's hands-on learning, without the cost of mistakes. Plus, with XR, workers will face real-world consequences for their actions, so every decision becomes a lesson in itself. Step 3. Seamlessly integrate XR into daily routines. Now, don't worry, you don't have to disrupt the daily workflow to make room for XR training. The beauty of XR is that it can integrate seamlessly. During breaks, your workers can step into VR simulations, or AR can overlay real-time instructions while they work. Imagine this, workers are fixing a piece of machinery, and instead of calling for help, they can use AR glasses to see virtual guides or instructions right on the spot. It's like having an expert mentor at their side, 24/7. Step 4. Foster collaboration with XR. Here's something that will blow your mind. XR isn't just for individual learning. It's a powerful tool for collaboration. With mixed reality and VR, workers can engage in team-based training scenarios, even if they're scattered across the globe. Picture this, a team of engineers in different locations, all coming together in the same virtual space to solve a complex issue. Whether they're on-site or remotely located, they can interact in real time. That's the power of XR collaboration, improving team dynamics, enhancing communication, and building trust among your workforce. Step 5. Continuous improvement with data-driven insights. But wait, XR training doesn't end with the simulation. It's also about improvement. With XR, you get detailed data on how workers are performing. Are they picking up skills quickly? Are there areas where they need more practice? Real-time feedback and performance metrics allow you to tailor training to individual needs. No more one-size-fits-all programs. XR ensures that your training evolves with your workforce's learning journey. Plus, regular assessments ensure they keep improving, making them more confident and skilled at their jobs. Step 6. Safety first, simulate high-risk scenarios. Safety is key in industries like oil and gas, manufacturing, and construction, and XR is a game-changer here. Imagine your workers practicing life-or-death emergency responses in a simulated, high-risk environment without the actual danger. They can walk through fire safety drills, practice emergency evacuations, or handle a machine malfunction all in a virtual space. XR prepares them for the worst-case scenario, making them better equipped to handle it when it happens for real. And the best part? They can repeat these drills as many times as needed to perfect their skills. Step 7. Scale your training across multiple locations. Scaling training across multiple locations has never been easier. With XR, you can train employees in different cities, countries, or even remote locations with the same immersive experience. It's all about consistency. No matter where your team is, everyone will get the same level of training, helping you build a stronger, more cohesive workforce. Step 8. Measure success and iterate. It's time to assess the impact of your XR training. Are employees more confident? Are they making fewer mistakes? Are safety incidents down? Metrics like engagement rates, retention, and time to competency will help you gauge success and make necessary adjustments. XR isn't static, it evolves, just like your workforce. By measuring the effectiveness and adjusting your approach, you ensure your workers stay ahead of the game. The future of XR training, what's next? As we look ahead to 2025, XR and industrial training is just getting started. The future is immersive, collaborative, and continuously evolving. Workers will be better prepared, more confident, and safer than ever before. Ready to implement XR training in your organization? Let RichestSoft help you build customized XR solutions that take your workforce training to new heights. Let's shape the future together. If you're excited about the future of XR training and want to take your training to the next level, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll be sure to address them. The future of industrial training is immersive, interactive, and here to stay. Let's embrace XR and make training smarter, safer, and more engaging. See you in the next video.